Welcome to Barcode Library. Here we'll show you how to use our software to generate all kinds of 1D and 2D barcodes. Hi. Here we will demonstrate how to generate, customize, print EAN-13 barcode images using BarcodeLib VB.net. I have installed BarcodeLib EAN/UPC Barcode Generation Library NuGet package. So let's go to the program VB file. Let me walk you through all the variations I've been testing. I start simple. Create a linear barcode. Set it to EAN-13. Give it the standard 12-digit data and generate my first image. Clean and standard. But some products have add-on symbols like magazines with issue codes. So I switch to EAN-13_5, set the supplemental data, adjust the add-on height ratio to make it slightly smaller than the main barcode, and set the separation gap between them. Looks very professional. Then I want a larger barcode that's easier to scan. I create a fresh linear barcode, same type and data, but set custom width and height. Much more visible on packaging. Next, I turn on the quiet zone indicator. That's the blank margin around barcodes that scanners need. This setting draws little markers showing where the quiet zone starts and ends. Really helpful for design validation. After that, I customize the text label below the bars. I set the margin, disable auto resizing so the font doesn't shrink, and use that classic OCRB font at a larger size. Very scannable and authentic. Finally, I go advanced with digit positioning. In EAN-13, you can manually shift the first and last digits. I move the first digit right and up, move the last digit right and up by different amounts, and generate the final version. This gives me fine control over how the barcode integrates with my label layout. Now let's run the console application in Visual Studio. So let's view the generated barcode images. The first generated barcode image was created with barcode type EAN-13. Data is 12 digits, using default settings for size, text label, and quiet zone. The second generated barcode image was created with barcode type EAN-13_5, featuring a 5-digit add-on symbol, with supplemental data, add-on height ratio of 0.6, and a separation gap of 40 pixels between the main barcode and the add-on. The third generated barcode image was created with barcode type EAN-13, with custom image dimensions of 500 by 350 pixels. The fourth generated barcode image was created with barcode type EAN-13, with the quiet zone indicator enabled to show the required blank margins around the barcode. The fifth generated barcode image was created with barcode type EAN-13, a text margin of 20 pixels, resizing disabled, and an OCRB font at size 26 for the human-readable text label. The sixth generated barcode image was created with barcode type EAN-13, with the first digit shifted right by 20 pixels and up by 20 pixels, and the last digit shifted right by 30 pixels and up by 20 pixels. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and follow Barcode Library for more barcode tutorials.